the very interesting thing about, this e-com industry is that it's, well, on the one hand, it's always changing, but on the other hand, it's extremely static. Because at the end of the day, it's direct to consumer in most cases. You're selling something to a person, and people actually rarely really change. And what's really intriguing is, to me personally, is the combination of this deep understanding of people and what motivates them, but then also combining that with like this constant change in technology and very numbers driven work, and bringing that together is super exciting, and it never really gets boring. And you kind of really have to, always stay on the cutting edge of what's happening right now. Lots of stuff in data privacy, while also going really in deep on a qualitative level and understanding the people behind the numbers and what moves them. The biggest issue for e-commerce is actually, it's tough to say, because you actually have a multitude of factors that make a successful company. I think in the early days, it's definitely product related, that there's no real clear framework of, how to develop products, how to get to product market fit. And many people try to scale businesses that from a product perspective are not really there yet, to be honest. And then now specifically talking about data and metrics, I think it's twofold. One big thing everybody is complaining about right now is this whole, attribution modeling after iOS 14.5, which I'm also talking about in depth in the course. But I think on an even more basic level, I think it's just that data is extremely messy, and that, young brands that don't prioritize clean data in any way whatsoever, which makes getting actually accurate dashboards and reportings out of that data extremely challenging, and something we at Klar have invested quite a lot of time and effort in finding ways to, clean up messy data from the past. So yeah, I think those are challenges, but also almost like evergreen issues. This course is right for you if you no longer want to rely on third-party algorithms from Facebook or anyone to really grow your business, but really want to start owning and mastering your own data. I'll talk about the entire, end-to-end user journey of using data, starting off with a framework that helps you to bring everything together in a, easy to understand growth formula. Then talking about that growth formula, that engine of how your company grows and how the different metrics in that formula interact with each other, and how you can achieve the equilibrium between them to achieve the best possible outcome. But then also after that, going extremely tactical, showing you, how you can use GA to understand how people use your site, how you can start tracking better, what you should be tracking, how you can use multi-touch attribution and incrementality testing to understand what marketing channels are driving conversions, and then finally also what it really takes to make data-driven decisions in your company. So if that sounds like something that could be interesting for you, I would love it if you take this course. And hopefully, I'm very sure that it will help you bring your data game to the next level.